Okay, we definitely have to get rid of this orange. Thankfully, I started with a dresser that was in just amazing condition, didn't need any repairs, so it was really a quick process. Clean it all. I'm scuff sanding with 120 grit, just getting everything fully covered, sanding, cleaning once again, inside and out. And into the spray tent we go to prime. I'm using a Zinsser primer here, doing a couple little dent repairs and then on with paint. This is a custom paint color that I created. It's a dark emerald green with lots of gray undertones. Painted 2 coats of paint and then top coated. Take the drawers out, do the details, end of the drawers. And all new hardware. I thought black would coordinate really well, so I went with some black hardware. Here's the before once again, and here's the after. I think it definitely was an improvement over the orange.